Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of my big ass haul, okay? So today is the part that you've probably all been waiting for, and it's my clothing and makeup haul. So last time I did my decorations haul, and I will leave that up in a little box below. Oh my god, why do I always say up below? It makes no damn sense. Oh my god. Up here I will leave a tag of that video so you can watch that one as well. It has a lot of different decorations in it. If you're wondering why I sound like a frog, it's because my throat hurts and I'm losing my voice. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah. So today we're going to do the same style as last time. I took a lot of pictures for you, and I'm just going to do a voiceover with that and explain what I got. And yeah, so that is it. I'm going to go ahead and get started. First thing I actually got was this Rosy Days boutique, which I'm wearing it right now, but it's just a little crew neck. It's from Casey Holmes' boutique. If you haven't checked it out, she has lots of cute little clothes there. She's a beauty blogger. I'm sure you guys already know that. She is my absolute favorite. I've been watching her for like 4 years, and I don't know, I just really like her. So yeah, but I got this from her. It was $40, I believe, with shipping, and it's super comfortable, super thick, and I really like the color as well. Okay, so starting off with H&M, everything was 50% off. I got this cute little dress. I believe it was only like $6, just cute for summertime. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm still wearing pants, it's because I'm too lazy to take it off if I try on any bottoms. So just FYI for any of these pictures, if you see me wearing pants, I'm sorry that I'm lazy. And then I got this sweater right here. This was only $7, and I just thought it was super cute. I like the way it fit me. Moving on to PacSun, it was buy one get two free shirts, so I got this cute little shirt. Honestly, I don't know what language that it was, but I've worked at foreign restaurants like Japanese and Chinese before, so I just thought it was super cool and different. This is a Guns N' Roses shirt. I collect old band shirts because I really like classic rock, so this was just another one of those that I got. Then I got this New York Broad City shirt. There's more on the back. I tried to show it as best as I could, but I just thought it was super cool, and I've been to New York and I love New York, so I just thought it was cool. I love big t-shirts. And the last one was this Beverly Hills shirt because I really want to go to California someday, and I just thought it was cute. I liked the color. Moving on to Express. By the way, if my hair looks messed up in any of these pictures or in my intro or anything like that, it's because I've been literally trying on clothes all day, and I'm so sorry. And if you also saw that big blemish, it's because I keep picking at it, and I know I shouldn't, but I can't help myself. But anyways, I got this super cute off-the-shoulder sweater, and it is so freaking soft, from Express. I got this cute little tank top. I don't really know. I just thought it was super cute, and it's kind of like a chromey gold color. But yeah, I thought those were both really cute things from Express. I never really get a lot from there, but they had a sale as well. And then I got this little sweater dress with the flared sleeves. I don't really have anything with flared sleeves, and it's a very dark green color, and I just thought it was super cute, and I also really liked the V-neck. And then last but not least, I got these super cute, like, strappy wedged heels. They're kind of a pale pink color, and I just thought they were so cute. I really need some more, like, wedged shoes, as a lot of mine are getting old and, like, gross. Okay, moving on to Forever 21. This was my by far largest haul here, and it's because they had so much stuff on sale, guys. I'm not even playing. Everything I got was on sale except for a couple of things. I got this cute little shirt with the bow tie in the back, and it's opened up. I just thought it was super cute, maybe to work out in even, but I always need more plain shirts to wear under stuff. Then I got this cute little shirt to wear in the summer. Sorry, it's a little bit see-through, but it has a little pineapple and watermelon, and I just thought it was super cute. Then I got this Los Angeles shirt, maybe to even work out in, but it's more of like a muscle tank. All of these shirts were literally like $5, $10, $7, $9. Like, that's what they were all marked. And I'll tell you which ones weren't. Then I got this cute little dress. I believe this one was $9. I just really like dresses like this to wear out to parties and stuff. Then I got two things here. One, I got that black sweater underneath, and it is so soft, guys. And then I got this long army green cardigan that was super soft as well. Then I got this light pink striped
pinstriped button down. I honestly might sleep in this. I got it in a size large just because I really like shirts like that to sleep in. Then I got this kind of light purplish off the shoulder sweater. I thought this was super cute, and I actually don't own a sweater like this, so I was super excited that it fit me like I wanted it to. Again, sorry I'm wearing pants under this as I was too lazy to take them off, but these are just some nice pants I could wear in the spring. I really like dressing up and wearing cute little like light blue tops with pants like this. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I just really like to do that. And then actually this top would go really good with those pants. It's just a light pink, airy tank top, and I really liked it. Then I got this shirt. I thought this was super cool. I don't have like a cutout shirt like this, so I'm really excited that I got it. Again, this is one of the ones on sale. These leggings were not on sale. They were $22, but I've always wanted a pair of like cutout mesh leggings like this, and these actually fit me really well, so I decided to get those. Then I got this interestingly cut, like the neck is kind of weird on it, but I actually kind of like it. It's maroon, one of my favorite colors. It's just a tight little rib sweater. And then I got these cute little penguin slippers, and they were only $3. I don't even need them, but oh well. Then I tried to show you this one as best as I could. It's one of those corset in the middle things, and I actually liked it. I think I mentioned one time I didn't know how I felt about them, but I actually liked that shirt a lot. Then I did this one in slow-mo since it was so short, but it's just a cute little floral dress that I really liked. And I have absolutely no idea where I'm going to wear this dress. I'm going to have to buy a slip for under it, but I just thought it was so freaking pretty, guys. Like, seriously, it's so stunning. Like, once I can buy a long slip for it, it's going to be gorgeous. I have no idea where I'm going to wear it again, but oh well, whatever. Moving on to Victoria's Secret and their semi-annual sale, guys. I got these super cute bras. They were all $15 each. I absolutely love them. 2 of them are bralettes, by the way. Then I got these 3 shirts. I do not own a lot of the pink long sleeve ones, so I really like that one on the far right. I loved the tie-dye short sleeve pink one, and I really like the Just Add Coffee just because I am a coffee drinker. I love it. Then I got these pink maroon pajama pants. These were also on sale, and the pink pajama shorts. These are super cute. I don't remember how much they were exactly, but these were all on clearance, just by the way. Now, this set was not on clearance, but I could not pass it up. I've been looking for, like, a set like this, kind of like the Juicy Couture ones, but I thought this was super cute, and the pants aren't all the way velvet. They're just velvet on the side, so I like it because it's not, like, too much, you know? And then last but not least, just what I needed, guys, another freaking robe. But, oh well, I really love this. I love the light pink. I love the Sherpa hoodie. It's so soft. I love the glitter. I just really liked everything about it, and it was on sale for $30, guys. Moving on to makeup, I made this online order. It should arrive tomorrow. I'm going to try out this JCat Beauty eyeshadow palette. I've heard really good things about this palette. It has a couple reviews, but I'm going to go ahead and try it out. I've heard really good things about Catrice and Milani as well, so I got some of their highest rated things, and I wanted to try those out. I got the Laura Geller 6-piece full-size beauty collection set because it was on sale half off online. Then I got the Spotlight palette by Casey Holmes. Y'all know that I love Casey Holmes, so I had to get her palette, and it was also half off on their website the day I ordered this. Then I got the online-only Metallic Treats Glitter Liner set. I cannot wait to try these out. I love Tarte, and I can't wait to try out Glitter Liner. And then I got the Catsuit Metallic Lipstick from Wet n Wild because I've heard super good things about it. Moving on to Sephora, I got the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It's the one with all the bright colors in it, so I can't wait to try it out. I got some Naked Skin concealer because that used to be my all-time favorite, so I'm excited to try it again. I got the YSL All Hours foundation because I heard it's super good for oily skin. Then I got the Anastasia Brow Wiz because I used to love that as well, so I'm going to go back to it for a while. Then I got the Kat Von D Lock and Set It powder just to try another setting powder. And last but not least, I got the Benefit Hula Bronzer and the Benefit Dandelion Brush because they were both super pretty shades. Then I got a couple gift sets. I got first the Sephora Favorites makeup must-haves. I got the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, a Tarte Highlighter, Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, a Stila Liquid Lip, a Lancome Mascara, and a Beauty Blender. I absolutely think all of these are going to be super good, guys. I also got a little Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but I forgot to take a picture of it. Then I got this skincare set. It has a lot of different things in it. I will read them off to you. First, we have the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. I'm excited to try this out. I always like getting new eye balms. The Belief Cosmetics The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I definitely need that for wintertime. The Basquiat Perfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. That'll be good for my T-zone. The First Day Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. The Fresh Rose Face Mask. The Glam Glow Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. The Josie Marin Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. The Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Ole Henriksen. Sorry, I don't even know how to pronounce some of these. That is a Truth Serum. The Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Hyaluronic. Whatever. Cloud Cream Philosophy. Purity Made Simple 3-in-1 Cleanser. And Tarte Pack Your Bags 911 Under Eye Rescue Patches. That was a lot to read off, but I am super excited to try out all of that. I love trying out new products. And last but not least, what I got from Ulta in store, I got my regular Demi Wispy Ardell lashes and my Essence Make Me Brow because those are like my go-tos. And then I got a Body Shop tea tree oil because your girl has been breaking out. And then I got some Mario Badescu drying lotion because, again, your girl has been breaking out and she cannot stop picking at it. So I need to obviously change that, but this will also help with that as well. Okay, guys, that is it. I am finally done. Please make sure I do not go shopping for like another 6 months. Like, I need to be done, like, right now. And I'm super sorry if my voice sounds super bad now because I keep on, like, talking you through this video. I hope you can still understand me. But if you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it below, please. And thank you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.